Hello guys, Comet here. Well, figured I'd show you the good old truck that I got. This is the one you saw me doing the test drive in, and also the one where I did the video of the heavy rain. Show you that one more and that one just a second. But this one right here, this one is my current project car. It's a 1996 Saturn SL1. You can probably see why it doesn't run. Bought it with timing chain snapped on it, so that's one thing. So it's been hot to actually work on it. It's pretty warm today, actually. This one a little bit different from the Trooper because I don't know how to drive it, for one, because it's a stick. The only reason main reason I actually bought this thing because it's a stick, because I want to learn how to drive manual. Working AC, working radio. Feel like I got a pretty good deal on it. There's the rockers on there. There's the rest of my tools. Some of my tools anyway. Yeah. Just need money to get the parts and stuff, so that can be overtaken. This one can take care of. But I need pretty new tires on this thing. Well, it's been up for a little while. It hasn't been running a little while. But it'll eventually get there. This one right here is my daily. The Trooper is my daily. This one, 3.5 V6, automatic. Couple issues here and there with it. I had to jury rig that one. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but you know, it's a daily. There's not much else you can really expect from it. Yeah, so I did some body work on it. The driver's seat's been replaced. Thinking about replacing this seat right here. That's one of the many reasons. Need to rip this rest of this carpet out right here. That's it. Now with the back of it, that's kind of more where the special bit is. Yeah, it's definitely a custom paint job, but yeah, so I still had a bot with it. It's one of them anyway. That's where I find that one. But yeah, it's a little daily. It's basically an all-around vehicle. Well, that's it for y'all today, guys, and see you guys next time.